Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by preparing both tools and grabbing the connection details. Open Ssms to verify the server instance name and test a simple connection. This proves credentials work. Once done, launch Visual Studio as administrator so permissions don't block database access. Make sure the SQL Server Data Tools workload and SQL Server Object Explorer are installed. If not, install them and restart. You should now have server name, auth type, and credentials ready to use inside Visual Studio. You'll now configure the connection inside Visual Studio. Open SQL Server Object Explorer and click Add SQL Server. Paste the server name and pick Windows or SQL Authentication. Once connected, expand the instance to locate the database you want. Right-click to open a new query or import schema into a database project for version control. Make sure to set advanced options, encryption and timeout, if your network requires them. This links the live database with Visual Studio tooling for development and deployment. Finish by deploying or testing your changes from Visual Studio. Use Publish or Schema Compare to push schema updates, then run queries in the integrated editor to confirm behavior. If something breaks, check the common culprits: firewall rules, SQL browser service, TCP port 1433, and correct authentication method, because these usually block connections. Also try connecting with Ssms using the same details to isolate Visual Studio from server issues. One tip: enable verbose errors and logs to quickly pinpoint permission or network problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.